What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time here, my good name is Zippy Nyangweso and I do content around a lifestyle. So today's video is all about a reset, that is Sunday reset. We are going to clean and organize my bedroom and the kitchen area. So enjoy the music as we do this. As a rule of thumb, when doing cleaning, always start with the less dirty place to the dirtiest place. For me, I started with the bedroom and headed over to the kitchen area. The other reason as to why I started at the bedroom is that I wanted to put my bedding into the washer. As it runs, I'm doing other things.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. For so long I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the knife, so far gone, I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never broke me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go all down. I see me for me. Stars from the night, one by one, no longer blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never broke me down to my knees.
In the kitchen, I start by putting away the clean utensils into the cabinet so as to make the place look less cluttered.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
I also changed the curtain here because I thought it was long due for cleaning. As you can see, it is dirty, so we had to remove this and put into the washer and replaced with the new ones.
Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you know.
This time for the measurements, I got it right because last time I got the one of the shear was longer than the other one, so this time round I got it right. The measurement is so accurate.
Show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
To clean my appliances, I used white vinegar mixed with water, and also for the outside, I used this shiny spray. I went ahead and set up the coffee station around that area. As you can see, I placed the most important things and the most frequently things that I normally use. So I want this area to look less cluttered because mostly I use it to prepare meals. And this is the final result for the kitchen area. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.